Wait, I'm coming for the tank. Bam! Got him. Tabled his ass.
You guys by the east south. Right here. Tank spawned in. Tank is in. Tank is in. Got out. Got out. Guy by the train.
Don't lose control, man. Don't lose control. Oh god. Oh god.
Right below us. I've got some eyes. Hill. Right by the beach.
Don't lose control. Nice.
Tank is damaged.
Guys right here. They're on the mountain. They're on the left side.
I see him. Oh, that's good.
Damn. Right.
Guy fixing the tank.
I can't, dude. There's too many infantry.
Proceed with caution. Tank getting away. Drive with RPC. Guys on the rock. Guy right by this beach. Right here. Nice.
Got him. Ray! I like Matt Ray, boys!
You guys. Hey, straight ahead. TV.
Boom, bitch!
Got him.
Guy, on the left, right here. Oh, never mind. Oh, infantry up here! Dive!
Infantry. On the bridge.
Yes, get him.
Right there. I got him.
Right here. Oh, fuck it. Come on.
By the container. Got him.
Just spotted a hostile soldier.
I've got a eye on the enemy sniper. Between the bullets. We've lost the objective. They're all at the other side. They're all here.
No, don't, please, don't go! Oh my god.
Jeep.
Get this Jeep, man.
Nice.
Lose control.
Hurry.
Get in. Fly. They're behind us, right behind us.
Guy by the rock.
Dude.
Hit. Switch back. Stay inside.
No, just go, just go, just go.
Whoa,
On the bridge.
you guys on the bridge.
Got them both.
There's an enemy sniper in the AO.
Don't lose control. Tank.
Watch my chopper, watch my chopper. Infantry, three of them, four of them.
Get this fucking infantry, dude.
Chopper is spawning. Vehicle disabled.
Car.
Watch for the chopper, watch for the chopper.
Dive. Hide and dive. Get the chopper.
Dive on the chopper.
Still there.
No, I killed him. Jeep.
All units. We've lost the objective.
Don't dive. Fuck!
Oh, we're good. Switch.
Get your ass in. Go. Right here.
Oh, it was coming for us.
One of the hostile.
Hangar.
What the fuck?
79 kills.
Oh shit.
Look out. This one of the hostile soldiers. Over.
Jeep. Go for the Jeep at the station.
Keep your eyes open. This one of the hostile soldiers.
Dive. What are you doing?
Make it quick.
Get your ass back in. Go. Get in.
Gotta go. Infantry. Wow, that was close. Jeep. Chopper. There's a tank. You ready?
Yes, I'm fucking ready.
Wait for it.
This one of the
Now.
hostile.
Disable.
Got him. Hit.
No hit.
D
All
under
right.
attack. D under attack.
Get
Right
this
there.
one over there.
Got him. I got him.
One more. Oh, you got one? I got the other. All right, that's good. Let's get him. In the infantry. Hello.
Yeah.
Oh baby. If we don't get to 100, I'll cry.
Infantry. He's getting on the chopper.
Hostile AT soldiers.
I got the guy that was locking onto us. No worries. Damn, you have 42 kills. Holy shit.
Infantry.
Receiving caution. That's one of the hostile AT soldiers. Over.
Where is everybody?
Right there.
Right there, two guys.
Got him. What you say?
Infantry. One more. They're fighting.
Objective has been neutralized.
Chopper. No. Let him take off.
60 kill streak, baby.
Just launching on you.
Tank. Come here, you bitch. Stable.
Got him. Infantry. You got out.
Got him. One more right there.
Got all the flags. We got all the flags.
Got him.
33 kills. Come on, 7 more. 7 more.
Come on. Let's get this shit.
Right here. Right
there.
This is yours. All yours.
Alright. We need 2 more. Oh wait, no, not. Oh shit! Almost crashed. 94, man. 94.
I think we got everything.
Fuck. It's
Nobody
over.
else to kill. Jets. We need to get the jets. Only thing left.
Look out, there's one of the hostile jet over. There's one of the hostile jet over.
All the taking lead. Let them have lead.
Yeah, let them have it. Let's not attack it.
Be advised, there's one of the hostile jet over.
Oh!
We have lost the objective.
Let them have it. Let them have it.
Infantry right.
Dude, once they spawn, just wait.
They all left. Everyone's leaving. Right there, up above.
No,
above.
don't kill. Okay.
Dude, there's other chopper that's killing him.
Everyone is spawning. Here. Come on. 100 kills. 5 more.
Come on.
5 more. Right below us, too. I don't have a good place to hide.
Okay. One more.
99 kills. 99 kills.
Oh, I'm good.
100 kills.
Oh, yeah.
Trying to get me.
This right. No way. You're getting so many kills, it's amazing. Like, wow, I've never seen a pilot get that many kills. From like top gameplay videos, I've never seen that.
Tech.
Oh!
Get up.
Got him.
2 more.
Okay, yeah, we definitely got some enemy infantry in the area. We spotted enemy infantry in your area of operations.
Got him.
This is my favorite spot. Dude, 4 guys.
Oh! Oh, bitch! Oh, bitch!
115.
Going for 200. Where you at, motherfucker? What?
Be advised, we can take the objective.
Guy right there, by the rock.
Whoa.
Oh, why did you do that?
No, we're still good.
Oh!
Oh, God. Oh, man.
Oh, go pick me up, bro. Go pick me up.
32 kill streak for me.
Holy shit.
Are you still alive? Stay there. I'm gonna come get you. I'm coming, bro. Ready? Ready to pick up? Game over.
Yo, where you going, dude? Come here. Oh.
That was a good game.
Holy F.
Look at that kill to death ratio.